I'm on, okay. The most embarrassing Christmas, I'm not real sure, but I think I can talk about maybe the most frustrating Christmas. With that was when my daughter, who's now 31-ish, had her Barbie playhouse, if any of you know what those are. So there's a big playhouse that the Barbies went in back when they were modified all the different ways they are nowadays. And I had a buddy of mine over, and we were going to put this thing together. And about 5.5 hours later, at about 3 in the morning, we finished. It had about 400 or 500 parts. If I remember right, it had 700 decals. And every time you thought that you maybe were almost done, you weren't. And it was all cardboard, so as you're constructing this all, you have to make all the cardboard pieces kind of solid before you can start building the next tier. It had a working elevator that you had to get that going with an elevator shaft and a string and everything else. So that was probably very, very embarrassing. And by the same token, from that point on with the kids, I also learned with the boys that anything that came with decals, that was a 2 and 3 hour job too. So our Christmas shopping then would change each year to be sure that it had 0 to very few decals, or we just didn't purchase them. So it was kind of a live and learn scenario. So I think those would probably be the most memorable, frustrating moments of Christmas.